Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Today I have an Ipsy subscription bag to open for you. Y'all, you know I love the makeup. I have really fallen down the rabbit hole. I love playing with it and trying to figure out what looks good on me and what doesn't. Yeah, I don't know I did so great today. I feel like my blush is just a little too on the inside right here. Now I saw somebody on TikTok, they said that if you are older, that when you put blush on, you don't put it on the apple of your cheeks anymore. You go down the iris line and you don't put it past this, it goes this way. So I think I came in a little too much on that, but that's your tip of the day for me, a girl who doesn't know makeup but watches videos to try to figure out more. Okay, so Ipsy is $12 a month for their base glam bag. If you want a Glam Bag Plus, which is 5 full-size products in a drawstring bag, it's $25 a month. If you want the Glam Bag X, which is 7 to 8 full-size celebrity curated products, that is $55 quarterly shipped. In this glam bag, I believe it is 5 deluxe or sample size beauty products. Miss Callie Cat has come to join us. They have been snoozing on the bed, y'all. They're being lazy kitties today. So let's see what's inside my Ipsy glam bag. Cute little bag. They always include a cute little bag. Now I am starting to stock up on these cute little bags, so you may see some of these in future giveaways. Just a little hint. Let's see what's inside the bag. Force of Nature. So Force of Nature is the theme for, this is April 2021. Today is April 14th that I'm filming. It probably won't come out today, but just for references. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is your first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. That's cute. I like that. Okay, May's limited edition drop Glam Bag X will be by Khloe Kardashian. Match your beauty skills and your makeup kit. Thrive with these 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50+. So let's see what this tiny little box is. It says item fast pass natural aha cleanser for oily and combination skin. Okay, teeny tiny little box. Let me see. When I pulled up my glam bag to look and make sure I had the prices right for y'all, it did actually pull up what everything was. I didn't know you could peek and look ahead of time. I don't like to be a peeker. I try not to peek at stuff, so everything you see, you're getting my original first reaction from it. So that pretty much says exactly what I just said to you. I could click details and go into it, but let's just read what it says on here. Ipsy exclusive. Yep, we scored TikTok superstar Addison Rae's item beauty product just for you. This refreshing cleanser is made with aloe leaf, cabbage rose flower, AHA's AHAS. That's what I'm saying, AHA's. I don't think that was supposed to be said that way. And sodium hyaluronate to soothe, brighten skin and hydrate. Tips: splash your face with cold water after cleansing. It helps keep bacteria and germs out. Okay, I didn't know that. Deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this palette is $18. So let's open up this tiny little box and see what's inside. Fast Pass Natural AHA Cleanser for oily to combination skin item. Vegan, cruelty free. Tiny little bottle. can't really smell it. Okay, there's one item. See how long it takes Miss Callie to knock that over, because, you know, cats do that. This is belleenargent, like a grape, 8 free nail polish. 8 free nail polish, okay? I don't know what that means. In like a grape. I know I'm not saying this stuff right, y'all. Please forgive me for that. Look how beautiful this nail polish bottle is. Y'all. How about luxurious? Alright, I don't have any polish on. Let me just throw some of this on for you. Y'all. Look at that. Of course, I didn't do my whole nail because I make a mess. I don't know why, but I mean, I can groom a dog all day long and make them perfection. But when it comes to putting nail polish on, makeup on, my hands are shaky. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on with me. But that is a really pretty color. I may finish up with this later on. I like this. It says belleenargent 8 free nail polish in like a grape. When we find a nail polish we love, we're all in. And once you try this bold berry shade, we know you'll be hooked. It's ultra pigmented and chip resistant, so it'll wear like a dream for days. Plus the vegan brush is wider than most, so you can coat your nail with an easy swipe. I didn't even notice that, but yeah, that's right. Tips: prep with a base coat and finish with a glossy top coat and make your mani last. Full size MSRP is $13. That's pretty cool. I really like that. Myskinnymask Australia. For all skin types, apply a layer onto clean skin, avoid eyes, let dry, and rinse after 10 minutes. Turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. Your glow girl. So that is cool. I love a mask, y'all. I haven't done one lately, but I really need to. I've just been really super busy. So, yeah. Have you know, I don't know. Us as women, I think that we get busy and we tend to put ourselves aside. I think we need to make more time for ourselves. That's just me. Y'all, make some time for yourself. This says, get your glow on with this Australian-made brightening mask. It uses natural sources of vitamin C like turmeric and Kakuta plum to fade dark spots and even skin tones. The Australian clay to purify pores and to boost circulation for a healthy glow. For best results, use this mask on clean, dry skin up to 3 times a week. Okay. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full version is $53. Yeah, that would have to go a long way for me to buy that. Y'all, I'm so cheap. I can't help it. You know, I was talking to my husband one day. And, uh-oh, there's another ant. I was talking to my husband one day. And he was like, did I really put mud on them? I'm like, yeah, they do. Why? No, wait, it wasn't even my husband, it was my niece. Because she was outside and we were playing in the mud, and I told him that people did that for beauty. And they get in the mud baths. And she was just blown away. She could not believe that people would actually take a mud bath. But let me tell you, her feet were muddy. We had to clean her up before we went in. I was babysitting her at the time. I was like, sorry sis, I did let her play in the mud puddle. She said, why didn't you tell her to even out the road? Because it actually, there was ruts from where my brother-in-law had drove through the yard. And she's like, why didn't you tell her to fill in the ruts while you were out there? I can't believe you just said that. I figured I was going to get in trouble for letting her play in the mud. But she cleaned herself off really good, hosed herself down and everything. She knew what to do. My girl's smart. All right. Now that I've gotten off on another rant, you know how I do. This is KOSETTE Body Scrub, Gray Sea Salt and Bamboo Charcoal. Packed with natural, mineral-rich, and premium ingredients, this scrub gently exfoliates to balance, smoothen, and detoxify your skin. All right, wow, okay. So there's what that looks like. All right, it's sealed. I'm gonna leave it sealed for right now because I've got a ton of stuff open and I have to use all that before, you know, it goes bad. Because all these things do have little dates on the back. Like this one is good for 12 months. Once you open it, you got a year to use it or it's gone. So I'm really hoping I can get through everything in a year. Let's see what the card says. Exfoliation equals a must in any good skincare routine. You're getting our fix with this multitasking body scrub. It has tiny bits of mineral-rich sea salt to buff away dulling dead skin cells for smoother and brighter skin, plus bamboo charcoal to help detox and deep cleanse. Tip: dealing with dry heels, this scrub is ideal for slouching off dry skin or stubborn calluses. This is the deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full size is $24. What is, oh, Milkmakeupkush mascara. I have been wanting to try some milk mascara, y'all. I am in such a rabbit hole of trying different mascaras, trying different concealers, foundations. I have no idea. If y'all have any hints on how to pick the foundation and concealer color, please help me out because I have no idea what to buy. I literally just go to the store and pick something up and bring it home. I'm probably wasting a buku of money. So please comment below. Let me know your tips. Help me out, because if I don't get some help, I'm just going to have to go to, like, I don't know, Sephora or somewhere and say, help me match my skin. So anyway, while you're down there commenting, I would really appreciate if you'd like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Fill in that notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I put out a new video. Y'all, I really appreciate it. So let's go back to this milk mascara. Where is the color? I don't know. It says a Milkmakeupkush High Volume Mascara Mini. No lash left behind. This conditioning mascara is infused with hemp-derived cannabis oil to make your lashes long and lush, and heart-shaped fibers that lock into lashes for major volume and lift. Plus, the tapered brush has crisscross bristles that coat every last lash. Tip: wiggle horizontally through lashes from root to end. Turn it vertically to coat the lower lashes. Now, I have heard that tip, and I normally just do vertically on my lower lashes, but I have really long lower lashes. So, I don't know, maybe I should try to do that a little more, go vertically instead of horizontally. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version of this product is $24. So, and the bird's fussing at me, y'all. This is the milk product, and oh wow, y'all, look at that brush. Oh my goodness, look at that brush. That is a brush right there. Wow. Okay, let's just try this. I cannot see a thing. I may have too much on of the other that I put on this morning. All right, I'll try it later and see how it works out, because I can't tell if any of it even went on there. Not through this camera. All right, you doing catty cat? So that's what came in my Ipsy box this month. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all comment below. Let me know if you get Ipsy. Did you get the exact same products? I don't know if this one varies or not, or if everybody just gets the same thing. So let me know. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.